So here we are, it's sunset in Second Life in Skoolaborate in our art crimes area, and I'm sitting astride one of the wind turbines on our block. Let's make it midday. The turbine's just one of the new additions to our art crime space. Another one of the additions that we've made to our gallery area is a boardroom table and a widescreen presentation board that I'll take you in to have a look at. Given that we're going to be expanding the scope of some of our projects, we thought it a good idea to set up a new meeting space for kids and teachers down the back of our gallery area. It's very versatile and highly interactive. Here I am making a few notes at my laptop. One of the really exciting things that we've introduced is this widescreen TV at the other end of the table, where we can play all manner of multimedia. In this instance, I'm going to play you an excerpt from a clip of a virtual choir which consists of 185 voices from 12 countries around the world, all singing together simultaneously and conducted by Eric Whitaker. And you can access this video on YouTube or here in our gallery space. Just look at the clarity, and hopefully in a minute we should get some audio. There it is. And there you have it. We're not working at the conference table. You can chill out on one of these new chairs. Thanks for watching.